Tata has launched the new Tiago CNG but with an automatic gearbox, and it happens to be the first ever car in India to come with a factory fitted CNG with AMT unit. In this video, we are going to tell you everything about it along with the variant wise prices, so stay tuned. The Tiago CNG AMT can be had broadly in two variants, XTA and XZA+. The latter can also be had in a dual tone finish. Then the more rugged looking Tiago NRG is available in the XZA variant with the same CNG setup. There is no visual element that differentiate the manual version from the automatic, but Tata has introduced two new colors, Tornado Blue with the Tiago and Grassland Beige with the Tiago NRG. Inside, the cabin looks more or less similar to the standard Tiago. However, the most significant change here is in the center console where you get to see the new AMT shifter. The Tiago CNG gets plenty of features, in fact more than what you can expect at this price point. There is this 7-inch touchscreen infotainment unit by Harman with a rear parking camera, automatic climate control and a semi-digital driver's display with loads of information. Then there's rain sensing wiper, automatic headlamps, height adjustment for the driver's seat and even auto folding ORVMs with a welcome function. Now that we are done with the cosmetic changes and features, let's check the engine, gearbox and CNG specs. Now let's break down the CNG tech for you. Even though this is a CNG powered vehicle, there is a good amount of usable boot space. This is possible because of the twin-cylinder CNG tanks that take up less space than a large single-cylinder tank that you will find in every other CNG car. This is one of the most advanced CNG setups in the Indian market currently. It gets safety features such as direct start in CNG mode, auto switchover between fuel type, leak detection, thermal incident protection and fire protection. Now let's take a detailed look at the variant wise prices of the Tiago CNG with automatic and manual versions. All the automatic variants of the Tiago CNG are expensive by Rs 55,000 over the manual versions, making it a worthy upgrade. Do let us know about your opinion on the pricing of the Tata Tiago CNG AMT. Now that we know the prices of the Tata Tiago CNG AMT, let's see how it fares against its closest rival in the segment. Starting with the Maruti Celerio, which can be had in a single VXI trim, it is priced at Rs 6.73 lakh. The Hyundai Granite and Nios is offered in two variants, namely Magna and Sports, priced at Rs 7.68 lakh and Rs 8.23 lakh respectively. Also, the WagonR slots in the same range with two variants LXI and VXI, priced at Rs 6.44 lakh and Rs 6.89 lakh respectively. Finally, another Maruti car in the list is the Swift hatchback, which is priced around Rs 7.90 to Rs 8.58 lakh. So what do you think about this new combination of a CNG car with an automatic gearbox, or will you still prefer a manual unit? Do let us know in the comments below and thank you for watching.